Good morning. It's another chilly start to the day. There's some patchy low cloud mist and fog. That will lift, leaving us with a mostly dry and sunny day with light breezes. I'll have all the details shortly.
Carol, how's the weather for runners?
It's not bad at all, John. It's dry, which is a good start. Good morning, everybody. This morning it's a chilly start, though, if you're just stepping out. We've got some mist, some fog and some low cloud patches here and there, as you can see in Norfolk this morning. And temperatures under clear skies have fallen away. In Altnahara, currently it's -5. In Preston, it's 3 degrees. And in Aberdaron, currently it is 8 degrees. Now, if you have an allergy to tree pollen, birch and ash in particular, at the moment the levels are high or very high across many parts of the UK today. High pressure is still firmly in charge of our weather. It's effectively blocking these weather fronts from coming our way. And as you can see from the lack of isobars across us, we're just looking at light breezes today. So the mist, fog and low cloud will lift, then a lot of dry weather, a lot of sunshine, blue sky. But across the Northern Isles, we're prone to more cloud. And through the day, that will slide just a little bit further south. Temperatures today, well, we could reach 19 or 20 once again in Scotland and Northern Ireland. Come further south, we're looking at 16 or 17, but a bit fresher along the North Sea coastline and where we've got the cloud in the Northern Isles. Now, that cloud will continue through the night, if anything, moving a little bit further south, and we'll also have some cloud rolling in from the North Sea, making progress inland. To the west, under clear skies, we'll see some patchy mist and fog form, and in the countryside in the west, it will be cool enough just for a touch of frost here and there. So we start tomorrow again with high pressure firmly in charge, but you can see too how we've got all this cloud coming in through the course of the night, pulling down the North Sea coastline, and it will continue to push southwards through the course of the day. But at the same time, it will start to burn back towards the coast, although some of it will linger on the coast of England and it will improve across the coast of Scotland. Now, away from this, a lot of dry weather. The sunniest skies will be across the west and parts of the south. And temperature-wise tomorrow, where we've got the cloud lingering across eastern parts of England, it will feel cooler. We're looking at 12s and 13 degrees, whereas as we push farther west, we're looking at 16s, 17s and 18s. Then as we move from Wednesday into Thursday, you can see how high pressure is placed right across us. This cloud moves a little bit farther south, getting into the English Channel, possibly as far as the coast of Devon and Cornwall later on in the day. But it is pushing south, so it will brighten up behind it and there'll be a lot of dry weather. But at the same time, we've got a bit more cloud coming in across the far northwest of Scotland, and that could produce some spots of drizzle. Temperatures, well, on Thursday, 21 degrees in Aberdeen, 20 in Birmingham. So for some of us, the temperatures are going up. Now, as we head beyond that, high pressure is still in charge of our weather, but it sinks a little bit further south. The wind direction changes slightly, which means that in the south, temperatures will be that bit higher as we head on through the course of the weekend, and a little bit lower in the north than they have been. But look what happens as we head from Sunday into the early part of next week. The weather, Sal and John, starts to change.
Oh, Carol, thank you very much indeed. That's interesting you were saying about the high pollen levels, because we were both saying that we've really noticed that the last few days.
Yes, it's particularly tree pollen at the moment, and especially birch and ash, because as we head into May, it will then be grass pollen, of course. OK, Carol, thank you very much indeed. We're heading into May right now, aren't we?
Yeah, we are.